Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of the 2024 Salem 36VBDS. This is going to be one of their more popular front bunk travel trailers, and it's kind of in that tweener space between travel trailer and destination RV. You get the towability of a travel trailer, but you get kind of the size of a small destination, and you'll see what I'm talking about here soon. But let's go ahead and get on into the tour. Again, it's the 2024 Salem 36 VBDS. Now, today I'm down at the factory, Funtown RV's Factory Connect store. It's going to be their dealership that is located 10 minutes from the manufacturer. So not only do you get great service in terms of, warranty work and all that because of the location, you're really close to where all the parts are, whether you need service or anything like that. But you also get really good pricing due to the fact that they have lower freight costs. So make sure to check down in the description for the specifications, but also that price link, because they can definitely get you access to some of the best pricing in the entire country. But yeah, we're going to start on the inside, work our way around the outside. And like I said, since it's a front bunk, I guess we'll kind of start there. But you're going to have a two slide out unit. You get kind of a super slide, as you can see right here in the living room. This is also going to be that Versa Lounge. So, you can move this either which way to create, more or less space for the dinette, however you please. Shotgun style bathroom heading back into a really nice sized bedroom where that second slide is going to be, along with a Versa tilt bed, which is basically going to be a custom king bed that's on a 17-inch lift, so you create more walk around room. But right away, one thing that I really appreciate is the fact that you kind of have that crescent shape entrance into the bunk model. Now the 25s are coming out soon, if they're not already out. So there's going to be, quite a few changes. And I'd imagine some people are going to love it. Some people are going to hate it. So drop a comment. Let me know how you think about this decor, and we'll kind of go from there. But I think what makes this so special is right here, you can actually take this portion and you can see. So actually here, this is great. The Versa Queen is going to be back here as well with the Versa bunks. So this actually comes here and it flips down and over. So that way you can drop that section and put a queen bed back here. So it's almost a two-bedroom RV, in a sense. Or if you're like me and has four kids, you utilize it purely into, bunk mode and you're ready to rock. Plus, you have some good storage. And I apologize. It's like 120 in this camper. I'm sweating my giblets off here. It is about 95 degrees outside. Just rain, so it's a little bit humid. And it is getting toasty and roasty up in here. You have a place where you can put a TV along with the appropriate plugins. And, of course, a window with an emergency exit. So pull, push, and plop. You can get out into a hurry. But very cool bunk room. I wish more people would do the flip over style, sofa queen, because I think it utilizes downtime for the games, but also maximizes sleeping space, when you're not. Another thing I can really appreciate about this floor plan is the fact you get a lot of kind of rainy day space, non-claustrophobic space because of the big slide and the open space, to where the kitchen is a little bit more compact. Before you get to the kitchen, though, you are going to have this little nook where you have an area for another TV, but you also get countertop space, a cubby, sound bar with zone 1 and 2 that's inside and outside, so you can rock on both sides because there's speakers both in and out. And then you have a fireplace with the mirrored reflective finish, one of my favorite in the industry, because I just think it looks so sharp compared to those normal kind of Furrion that's got the just like the fake fireplace. This has it too, but it's kind of a little hidden during the downtime. You have your sliding doors, which provides a ton of good natural lighting. And then over here is going to be your control center. So your Suburban on-demand hot water heater, the same hot water heater that's in their 45-foot destination RV. So that's pretty darn incredible. Your control for your slides, you have a dimmer so you can push and hold and it'll dim down the lights, or you can simply pop it on, and pop it off. And then your 30 amp solar charge controller lets you know what the solar panel, up top on the RV is doing. Underneath the dinette and the sofa, you're also going to get storage on both sides. This is going to be on a jackknife, so you can pull up and drop down. And then again, you can move that headrest or take it out to make one massive sleeping. Obviously this right here makes a dinette. Tinted windows, all of which have the old Dracula shade, the nightshade, stop the old skin from sizzling all Rooney. And then slide height, for reference, is going to be just above, my ear. So you're probably looking at, what would you say, probably 5'7" or so. I'm 6 feet tall. And then you have accent lighting there up above just for, at night. You're going to get 2 ACs in this model if you order it that way, which just about everybody does. And it's got the dual dump zone. So basically, you can decide to push whichever direction you want the air if you don't want it to be evenly distributed throughout the track. Like if you're not using the bedroom for a while, we'll pop that open, let the cool air flow. Got a nice little pantry right here. Not too much to go over on that. Great place for blankets and food. Residential refrigerator, one of the big old Mac daddies. And this will take a while to unthread. So while I'm doing that, you got your oven with enough room for, these things just take forever. It's crazy. Need to put one of those SpongeBob screens. 2 hours later. All right, goodness gracious. But I mean, look at that. I mean, talk about for a camper. It does not get much better than that. I mean, that is a real refrigerator, in the RV. And then you get the 3 stovetop burner to whip up all the fixings. Big enough oven for, maybe like a pizza, DiGiorno, something like that. And then you're also going to get your Furrion microwave. Some overhead storage here too as well. And then enough countertop space, not a ton, but enough. But it also has that hard wrap plastic, so it's actually adhered to the top. So that way you don't have to worry about, any water or anything like that. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. Drying rack with a plastic bowl to keep down on weight, to keep down on cost. And of course your high-rise faucet. Hitting those dishes from all angles. You also got some pretty clean-cut storage and access to your plumbing, along with an area where you can put, maybe some trash bags and, things of that nature. But this is what I really like. You get the 3 pullouts right there. It just kind of adds to it. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? This is going to be your heat and your AC control. And then, like I said before, the shotgun-style bathroom where you're going to see the plastic foot flush throne along with some cubbies. Little medicine cabinet where you can check out the old bowling gun, baby. Little storage there underneath. And then flip it around. Let's go over here. You see the shower is just big enough. I'm 6 feet tall, and you're looking at right at about maybe 5'11". Because the hat's just a little poofy there. And then you're about 6'4" up into here. But you're also going to get, got the face tracking on. You're also going to get a curved, how do I control this? I'm trying to play with this gimbal. You get a curved shower curtain. So this isn't really the largest shower, but that kind of opens it up so you're a little bit bigger without, really spilling water off into the ground because it's obviously cut out. So I dig that. Now, into the bedroom. It's a pretty special bedroom for the price point and the, what the Salem is. Got about 4 feet of space here. And then again, you're on that custom king. So it's going to be a 66 by 78 bed with the rounded corners right there. But you have windows on both sides. Really good head clearance, in here as well. Again, 6 feet tall. You're looking at about 6'6", 6'7". So it's going to be really suitable for the taller people. You do get some storage there underneath, which you don't want to lift up the bed when it's in this up position, but you got those little cubbies right there. So you want to pull it down flat and then open it up. In most cases, I just don't want to, don't want to risk it by any means. You have another window, and then another place for a TV along with countertop space. And all the plug-ins, and then you got your Versatilt and your bed slide control are going to be, right there. And then a closet for all of your stuff. But drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Now I'm going to head around the outside, just spend a minute or two. And then, I'm going to get skedaddling on to the next RV. But again, down in the description, you'll find the length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, along with a link for that price. And these guys definitely mean business. So this is going to be the fact Funtown RV's Factory Connect store is also going to be their PDI facility where every unit that goes across the country comes here first. So you're going to get a really good chance to, one, not only have, picture perfect service with the fact that this is what they do all day, but also if there is something that, happens or find or, whatever, something goes wrong after a day or two of camping, because it is an RV after all, you got an opportunity to bring it back here and, get it worked on with great attention from the manufacturer due to the proximity to it. So you're going to have the Salem, the Platinum package. So the Platinum package is going to have the fiberglass exterior with the rock guard up front. You're also going to get upgraded wheels there as well. You're going to get the battery disconnect on all of them, along with a place where you can put 1 to 2 batteries. One's going to come with the camper from the dealership level. Two, could be an option. You're also going to get two 20-pound propane tanks. You get your power tongue jack right there, so you're ready to rock. That's that rock guard, speaking of rocking. You get a little bit of storage right here with the magnetic latch, and you're also going to get power stabilizers. So extend and retract are controlled right here, and that's where the landing pad goes down. You also see you have a pretty good size awning with no slides over here on the campsite. So that's going to be nice so you can really utilize the space, and kind of use it for like cornhole and picnic tables and, all that good stuff, all the fun stuff. Back end of the Suburban on-demand hot water heater is going to be one of your two marine grade exterior speakers. So again, that's going to be zone 2. There's zone 1 inside, zone 2 outside. Dual axle, all your plug-ins with a cable hookup, here for the outside. And then here's going to be the other extend and retract for your rear. Then you also have a bumper, spare tire, that little black bar, if you're not familiar with it, that's going to be prep for the Lippert on-the-go ladder system. So it costs you about $300 from their website, so you can get on top of your roof, check your seals, check your slides. You also have that little black box right there, which is going to be pre-wiring for a Furrion S Vision. So that way, it's basically a camera, so you can drive down the road, see what's going on behind you. But you also have a one-way radio, so that way you can kind of yell into the truck and they can hear you. So that makes it a little bit safer. These little black inserts right here, let me walk up to it, is going to be prep for a slide topper, which a slide topper is going to be a piece of awning that's going to go from here to here and prevent debris from falling on top of your unit, preventing the leak, helping the longevity of your camper, all that good stuff. Black tank flush city water connection and your 50 amp control. It could be 30 amp if you only want one AC. But yeah, that about wraps it up, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and I hope to catch you next time. Hit that like and subscribe button for daily RV content. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2024 Salem. Get that off there. Salem 36VBDS. Have a great day. See you.